Good morning. Welcome to a new day, full of endless possibilities. Today is a new opportunity to be your best self, and I'm here to help you start your day off right. Let's start with taking a deep breath in and exhaling slowly. Allow yourself to feel calm and peaceful. Take a moment to appreciate yourself and all that you have accomplished so far. You've come a long way, and you deserve to feel proud of yourself for all that you've achieved. As you stretch your arms and legs, feel the energy flowing through you. You are strong, capable, and ready to take on the day. Take a few moments to focus on your body and how it feels. You may feel a little stiff and tired, but that's okay. With each stretch, you're preparing yourself for the day ahead. Now, let's get moving. Start with some light stretches or a brisk walk. If you have time, try to fit in a quick workout. This will help you feel energized and ready to tackle any challenges that come your way. Remember, a little bit of physical activity can go a long way in setting a positive tone for your day. As you enjoy your morning routine, visualize your goals and aspirations. See yourself achieving your dreams and living the life you desire. You have the power to make it happen, and you are taking steps in the right direction. Maybe you're working towards a promotion, or maybe you're trying to start your own business. Whatever it is, keep it at the forefront of your mind as you go about your day. Remember to be kind to yourself today. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges. You are on a journey of growth and progress, and each new day is an opportunity to become even better. Take a few moments throughout the day to reflect on your progress and how far you've come. Lastly, be grateful for this new day and the opportunities it presents. Take some time to appreciate the little things in life and find joy in the present moment. With a positive attitude and a grateful heart, you can make today a great day. Now go out there and make it a great day. Remember, you've got this.